Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Laiba Tariq, your biology instructor from tutoria.pk. Today we are discussing the exercise of your chapter 5, A Cellular Life. Let's start with the MCQs. So the first MCQs is, viruses are considered non-living because they do not mutate, they do not locomote, cannot reproduce independently या have nucleic acid. The right option है option A, do not mutate. Question 2 है, which of the following are found in all the viruses? Option A, envelope, nucleic acid, capsid. Option B, DNA, RNA and protein. Option C, protein and nucleic acid. Option D, protein, carbohydrate या lipid. The right option है option C, protein and nucleic acid. Question 3 है, which step in the lytic cycle follows attachment of virus and release of DNA in the cell? Production of lysosome, disintegration of host DNA, assemblage या DNA replication. The right option है option B, disintegration of the host DNA. Question 4 है, which of these is a true statement? Option A, virus carry with them their own ribosomes for protein formation. New viral ribosomes after viral DNA enters the cell. C, virus use the host ribosomes for their own needs. D, virus do not need ribosomes for protein formation. The right option is option C, virus use the host ribosomes for their own need. Question 5 है, which part of animal virus is not reproduced in multiple copies? Option A, envelope. Option B, protein. Option C, capsid. Option D, ribosomes. The right option is option C, capsid. Question 6 है, RNA retrovirus has a special enzyme that option A, disintegrate the host DNA. Option G, polymerizes the host DNA. Option C, transcribe the viral RNA to DNA. Option D, translate the host DNA. The right option is option C, transcribe the viral RNA to the DNA. Question 7 है, which of the following illness is caused by retrovirus? Option A, typhoid. Option B, malaria. Option C, AIDS. Option D, sleeping sickness. The right option is option C, AIDS. Question 8 है, HIV primarily infect plasma cells, helper T cells, all white blood cells या red blood cells. The right option है option B, helper T cells. Question 9 है, poliomyelitis affect motor neuron, sensory neuron, brain या muscles. The right option है option A, motor neuron. Question 10 है, HIV attaches to CD4 protein, nucleoprotein, lipoprotein या glycoprotein. The right option है option A, CD4 protein. Question 11 है, hepatitis D is caused by bacteria, virus, prions या viroids. The right option है option D, viroids. इसके साथ ही हमारे MCQs कंप्लीट हुए. आई होप आपको इसके MCQs के आंसर जो हैं वो क्लियर हो गए होंगे.